Hello guys, today I'll be repairing a charge port on a JBL Charge 3 speaker. And we do sell the port piece here on our website. The link should be in the description. We also do service this repair. That should be also in the description, a link to that. And let's get going to the repair. Before we begin, I should note that the JBL Charge 3 speaker, as we noted with other models, there's slight difference between two different kinds of internals. So for example, this speaker might look a little different than yours or vice versa. So don't get discouraged, it's still a similar process. All right, let's get going. Now let's go ahead and pull off this kind of stand, this rubber stand here. Now let's go ahead and take off this battery lid here. All right, now once this port here is free, there are two wire connectors here. If you just wiggle it out, there's that long one and then that short one. Let's go ahead and disconnect them. Start with the short one or the smaller one. Just like that, set the speaker aside. There's 3 screws here. Now just gently separate these two pieces, the PCB from this housing. Here's the port. Just grab like an Omni device or any other device to secure it to. And let's go ahead and remove it with hot air. Now that our heat gun is warmed up, we'll remove this port. There we go. Now let's use solder wick to remove leftover solder. All right. Here's our new port. And go ahead and set it in place. Fits in perfectly. Go ahead and get the anchor points first. All right, next let's go ahead and solder all these connector pins to their pads. The goal with getting these pins soldered in is to not have any of them bridge or have solder touching two pins at once. And if you're ever unsure whether or not they're soldered on or not, you can grab like a flathead or something small to pry or to just slightly nudge each pin to see if they move or not. If they don't move, then they should be soldered on good. All right, we're done with this. Let's go ahead and put it back into its housing. Now, let's put this part back into the speaker. Connect both of these connectors. All right, sits back in. Let's go ahead and screw it back together. The battery lid here. All right, let's get this back on. All right, final step, get this fabric grill back on. And there are two pins here that slide into both of these holes here. Just like that. And clip this back in, and there you have it, a charge port part replacement on a JBL Charge 3 speaker. Once again, we do sell this part here, and we also serviced this repair also, along with all other repairs that you might need with the speaker. Thank you for watching.